the snow, so I have to speak in my squeaky voice all the time now. It sounds like a 2-year-old. But we lost it in the snow, didn't we, Maya? And it's frozen, and we have to go defreeze it with some hair dryers.
He's going up the paper cars and I'm shite myself in my pants.
I shot myself in the pants, and I have to catch her in case she falls. So if the paper car falls, I have to be on the bottom so I have something soft to land on.
I never loved nobody fully. Always 1 foot on the ground. And by protecting my heart truly,